is Kelsington. My dad has a YouTube channel called Rising Star 77. He also has very good content like songs, food, health, and other subjects. Please like, subscribe, and share. Bye!
Hi, touch the Samulola. Tatari Khapsey Tagi Sapasa.
We're back.
Khapsey Tagi Ni Khapsey Dan Luinda. Num Kusasu. Entry Sapu Re any Khapsey Louis Dinala.
So as you guys could see, he put in the cups in. He's putting, since the oil is fried now.
Yeah, oil is very good.
Yeah, so now it's gonna fry the cups in.
Yes.
Like fries.
Like rice, yeah.
Is that how they make fries?
Similar, yeah. Okay. So here.
You could see that this one turns.
This one, the small one, is for trial. Whether the oil is already ready for frying. See, already turned brown.
Oh.
Now,
It's not really strong.
I'll take this one.
Flip
It's done, okay?
And then put it on the plate. No. Okay.
Where it goes here?
Last time you
Give me the paper. Hold it.
hold it.
Hold it. Okay?
Okay, so make sure the bowl is not wet.
Red, yeah, it has to be dry. Okay?
Yeah.
So we'll save it here, then we'll transfer it off. Okay?
But when you put it in, make sure it's not that hot. Like when you touch it.
Yeah, maybe here, right? I can put it more here. There we go.
But didn't last time you did it in a different way?
See, color. You see the color, right? Turning very
Did
nice.
you put turmeric?
Turmeric.
Last time.
Yeah. Last time we put turmeric. Oh yeah, I remember. Amma, dani gazu gaselu ma. Yeah.
I don't think you need to put turmeric.
This one I'll tell you what I put it. I put 4 eggs when I made the dough. 4 eggs, oil, like cooking oil, let it mix.
Yeah.
And then I made the water warm, put sugar, warm water. And when I was doing the dough, that's how the YouTube says, you know. I follow YouTube instruction. From one of Tibetan girls, I think she shows, you know, how to make khapsey. From the beginning stage, you know, from the dough to the fry. Yeah. Shimbu chagi do tade kadu baby kadu malu no dugo. Chacha mayro no mira.
But make sure you have parent supervision.
Of course.
Because if this
It's a
oil
hot
splats
oil.
on your body, you might get
Oh my
burned.
goodness, then you get crazy. Yeah. See the color turning so nice, brown.
I think you need
Beautiful,
to push
right?
that a little in.
Huh?
The other, like it's white.
You know, I'll turn it. I have to cook maybe on one side. I know exactly when to turn. See now I can. All right. See.
Once the bottom part, like
Yeah. Bottom part
once you
becomes
see the
brown.
part that you put it on the oil is brown, that means it's ready, and you have to turn it the other side.
Yeah.
And then once this
You
is
can
good-
stop. Right?
Okay, guys. So we'll.
Yeah.
No. Okay.
So once it's cooked, then we'll show.
Wait.
Okay, here we go. Today is my turn to make a khapsey, and I just watched the YouTube from one of the cook,
Yeah.
and wanted to try that design,
Yeah.
particular design. I like it.
If he
Very
could
simple.
make it, if he could do it, I'll give you $1.
Sure, I should be able to do it. I don't know why. Okay.
Okay. I'm scared, but if you can actually do it, and then I have to give him my
Yeah.
$1.
Okay. So what you do is you cut it.
You make
Are you taking a video?
Yeah. You make
Yeah.
it into a square.
Yeah, like a square. Okay. Cut it. Cut it.
Cut it.
Cut it.
But don't make it too small.
Yeah, too small. Yeah. This time. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
There we go.
And then next you want
And the
to
next
fold
you do
it,
is fold it.
and then
yeah.
cut it into 3.
Fold it. Change it. the position. Alright? So I think it's better here.
I think you only need one.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright. Okay.
Okay.
So you open it. Tamu kache ho. Kache ba. Kache. And the kada, huh? Baby, this here. Okay. Okay. Should be able to do it, yeah. Hold on. Okay. Kache goes the, huh? Good. This here. Look at this here. This the just ah. This क्या हुआ? ये जड़ हुआ. Jड़ सा हुआ. They
Papa,
flip
can
it.
we stop the video?
They flip chair हुआ. Baby. See? Okay. Here we go. You take a video, right?
Yeah, I'm taking it.
There we go. I'm learning for the first time, okay? This chair. Okay. Here we go. Not bad. This chair. Good design thing. Okay. Good design chal do opposite chasta. Chibuchi gana chamasta ine. Good design chas. Okay. Two shide. The design to a chart data. So that's fair.
It looks nice.
Yeah, it looks nice. Not bad, right?
No.
No, yeah, kale kya.
Imagine if it already breaks once you put it in.
No. Okay. Here we go. There we go. Design to chance.
I think you should take that out.
Which one? Oh, this one, yeah. This is like the time mark. Let's go. Let's see.
Oh no.
Time mark. Time with the chair. I didn't do something. Let's see.
It's already. Hi everyone, this is the whole Khapsey.
Oh, so that Khapsey it's so Khapdo. That Khapdo in the Losar Khapdo. That Khapsey Mambo is trying to Damanda.
Wait, what's this one?
Did you
Hold on, wait, this one?
know, this is a regular one. And there's a rose. See, what is this?
It looks like
This one I made it with like a rose type.
octopus.
Octopus, right?
We
And,
name. Oh, that
and the
looks
shrimp.
like a
Shrimp.
There's an alligator in here too.
Shrimp, yeah.
Wait, where's the alligator?
Alligator, where is it? Yeah, it's somewhere there. Yeah, somewhere there. Yeah. And the chibudi.
I don't know what that is.
Okay, thank you.
So guys, bye guys. Subscribe, like, and share. Bye.